guys, it's Glenn from Glenn'sCarCollection.com, and welcome. Good morning to you all. Roads are a little slick here today. So let's talk about the used car market. Well, if you're gonna sell your car, this is the time to do it. Between the chip shortage, the pandemic, stimulus money, people still working from home, inventory is short, this is the time you'll get the most for your car. It's so foggy, I can't even see. So I have a lot of friends that are selling their cars now. I mean, it's fall when you see this. Come back into the spring to buy your next car. Hopefully prices will settle down. It seems like this chip shortage is predicted to last another year or so. If that's true, prices will remain high for used cars. But here in the Northeast, nobody's buying a sports car in the winter. So if you have a sports car you want to get rid of, now is the time to do it. I don't have any cars I want to get rid of, but in a way I wish I did, because you could probably get $10,000 or $20,000 more right now for your sports car than you would have if you wait till prices are back to normal. I've been following the prices of a lot of cars, Porsches, particularly 911s, M3s, and a lot of these cars are worth $10,000 to $20,000 more than they were in 2019, and that usually never happens. So now for collectible cars like, I don't know, GT3s or NSXs or S2000s, E46 M3s, where the prices come back to 2019 prices, I'm going to say no, they won't. They may adjust a little bit, but what's really going to adjust is your mainstream cars like your four-door Camrys and your CUVs. There's a shortage on those cars too, so people are overpaying, and maybe they're overpaying $5,000. Those prices are going to change and come back to normal 2019 levels, or maybe even less than that, because obviously they're mainstream cars and they're going to depreciate. So something to keep in mind now. If you have any kind of car, even if it's a mainstream car, you should sell it. All right, now we're following a GT3 RS, which is a good thing. See how loud that car is? Now, most people think New Jersey, they think of the New Jersey Turnpike, which has a lot of garbage dumps and toxic waste dumps, but most of New Jersey actually looks like this. So there's a lot of great driving roads in New Jersey, New York State, which I try to drive on pretty much every weekend. The roads are a little slick, so I'm actually going to go slow because I can feel it. If these roads were dry, it would be a different story. Oh, I can smell his exhaust. I can smell the exhaust of the GT3 RS. It's hard to talk and drive at the same time. Now, acceleration-wise, because this car has two turbos, I think it's actually faster. Obviously, that car is going to have the handling, but yeah, I can feel the road being pretty slick. So this would be a good time, really, if you want to sell a car. It sucks to go without a car, but now you can really maximize what you get for your car, and get top dollar for your car when prices come back. Maybe you could afford a better car. I mean, honestly, I've been tracking like 991s, not counting 997s that really went up in value because collectors are prizing them, but the 991s are about 20,000 more than they were in 2019. So that's just crazy how they're kind of not collectible yet, but they maybe will at some point with the last naturally aspirated engine. So now's really a good time to sell. My friend just sold his Carrera T. I have a bunch of friends that sold cars and they're getting top dollar now. Hold on to that money, hoard that cash, and then wait to a buying situation comes. Maybe even in the winter, maybe like in the fall or something. I always say the best time to buy a car is November, before people put them away for the winter. But you may be able to get a really nice sports car December, January, and February, depending on the chip shortage. If new cars are here, and then people won't be looking so much for the used cars, and that would be an excellent time to buy a car. So, all right, so first time ever, I'm telling you to sell your car now, get great money for it, and keep following GT3RSs anytime you ever see one. All right, guys, I'll end this video here now that we got slick roads and probably some traffic up ahead. But if you can sell a car now, even if it's a mainstream car, even if it's your daily driver or winter beater, you're going to get great money for the car. All right, we'll keep going. You're going to get great money for the car now, so keep that in mind. Always sell, if you can, in a seller's market. It's a seller's market now. You can pretty much name your price, it seems, for a car. People are asking crazy prices, but they wouldn't be asking crazy prices unless people are paying it. So take advantage of the market, and then you'll get something special next year, and maybe you can get a much better car because you sold this car now. So let me know if you've sold a car recently or planning to. Let me know in the comments below. And if you are selling a car or already sold it, what you're going to get next. I'm a small YouTube channel, so I read every comment and I'll respond to it. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.